Dear Prime Viewers, welcome to all of you in my third webcast on topic to become a student representative, way towards states of perfection. First of all, congratulations to each one of you as you are entering in new academic year. Here I have taken this topic for presentation exclusively because always questions knock your mind that what will be takeaway to become student representative of institutional committees and in what way personality can mold towards states of perfection after joining these committees. As you know, the institution promotes inclusive practices for social justice and better stakeholder relationships. The institution promotes value-based education for inculcating social responsibility and good citizenry amongst the students' community. The institution has the required infrastructure and promotes active participation of the students in social, cultural, and sports activities. Encouraging students' participation in activities facilitates developing various skills and competencies and foster holistic development. The core objective of this webcast is to orient students about importance of student representative committees of an institute to achieve states of perfection in life by using an individual inbuilt tools. In this session, I would like to brief you that your participation or representation on various student committees such as Student Council, Student Club, National Social Service, NSS or NCC or any student forum, not only doing mere representation but perfect path towards states of perfection. I am a strong believer that as a student you should give thought to build your set of soft skills along with academic excellence. Every educational institute or organization provides excellent platforms to all of you to represent group of students for institutional development, and this an opportunity gives you to build your skill set such as team working and leadership, interpersonal skills like negotiation and persuasion, decision making, handling conflict, sharing attitude, communication skills, and creative thinking. I am sure now thoughts are coming in your mind about which are states of perfection. So dear viewers, I would like to brief you over here, and these are generosity, energy, renunciation, morality, loving kindness, equanimity, truthfulness, patience, and resolution. Generosity means the giving of one's possessions, blood, organ, and even one's life for the good of others without expecting anything in return. Generosity is necessary to remove the suffering of the needy and the poor. And you know, every institute conducts blood donation camps, organ donation awareness program, adoption of villages, helps society in adverse natural calamities such as flood, earthquake, and at present COVID pandemic, and many more community service activities makes us more generous towards society. Energy is right endeavor. Whatever work you have undertaken or wish to complete, make it in a perfect way with all your efforts without thought of a turning back. I am sure those students channelizes various institutional activities, they have experienced fruits of right endeavor. Renunciation often indicates an abandonment of pursuit of material comforts and represents selfless work. I have seen students working on this platform as well. They observe sufferings of socio-economically deprived class, or in a visit of orphanage, they observe pain very closely on faces of orphan kids. Morality means fear of doing wrong. It is a moral temperament. Here mind switches on good things and avoid to do evil for fear of punishment. In institute, student council members play an important role in functioning, and they are role model of set of students. They can only create pockets of influence on others. And I know you all are agree on this point. During coordination of various extracurricular activities of an institute, loving kindness gets massively heightened not only to human beings, but it extends towards all living beings. To manage flow of activities for success of programs, as a student representative, you try at your level best to give same happiness which one seeks for one's own self. To keep the mind impartial, open to all with affection for everyone and hatred for none. Equanimity is a state of mind where there is neither like nor dislike. Due to success of number of activities initiated by students, wholeheartedly involvement in every positive initiative, mind gets continuously engaged in number of innovative activities, gets habit for sustained endeavor even though there is no personal gain. Another important state of perfection is truthfulness. Due to continuous interaction with number of stakeholders in various institutional activities, makes our speech kindly and courteously to all. Our talk becomes sensible and to the purpose. As a representative, we can easily make out importance of right speech, which is not to be the result of fear or favor. As a representative of student fraternity, the quality of being patient and being able to forgive someone or control ourselves in a difficult situation makes us stronger and get lesson that not to meet hatred by hatred. It gets pacified only by forbearance. Resolute determination to reach the goal is one of the personality trait gets improved while walking on path of states of perfection. But dear students, this is not an easy journey to achieve states of perfection. To ride on this positive momentum, we have to make an appropriate use of our inbuilt tools such as right views, right aims, right speech, right means, right mindfulness, right perseverance, and right contemplation. All these states of perfection brings quality in our life and makes us more confident and positive in any kind of sufferings in our day-to-day life. So make a resolution to be a part of any student forum in coming academic year and transform yourself. Once you join any student forum, you will get number of opportunities to channelize your inbuilt tools, which makes your walk easy on path of righteousness and to achieve state of perfection. Here I am trying to orient you on an importance of inbuilt tools, that is path of righteousness. So in right view, dear students, as you know, when an appropriate motives arise in mind, the will can be awakened and set in motion. By participating in activities of student forum, mind gets trained in positive directions. One chooses with liberty in thought. Every student has aims, aspirations and ambitions. Right resolution is one of the gain to join student committees, which teaches that such aims, aspirations and ambitions shall be noble and praiseworthy. Another important tool gets activated continuously as a student representative is right speech, that teaches us that one should speak only that which is true. One should not speak evil of others. One should refrain from slander. One should not use angry and abusive language towards any fellow colleague, and one should not indulge in pointless and foolish talk. The norm for right speech is not the order of the superior or the personal benefit to the individual. Right means teaches right behavior. It teaches that every action should be founded on a respect for the feelings and rights of others. The norm is that course of conduct which is most in harmony with the institutional vision and mission. In this universe, every individual is performing his or her duty to earn livelihood. And there are ways of earning one's livelihood. Some are bad, some are good. Bad ways are those which cause injury or injustice to others. Good ways are those by which an individual earns his or her livelihood without causing injury or injustice to others. And that's the perfect utilization of tool, right means. as a representative of student fraternity for one's perfection. Right perseverance is one of the inbuilt tool gets activated efficiently after joining student forum. Right perseverance has 4 purposes: to prevent states of mind which are in a conflict with the appropriate use of inbuilt tools, to suppress such states of mind which may already have arisen, to bring into existence states of mind which will help a student to fulfill the requirements of the inbuilt tools, and to promote the further growth and increase of such states of mind as already may have arisen. Right mindfulness and thoughtfulness means constant wakefulness of mind. In this mode, students working for any activity becomes very prompt and alert. They get more driving force to complete desired activity. But dear students, 5 fetters or hindrances which come in the way of a person trying to achieve right views, right aims, right speech, right means, right mindfulness, and right perseverance. And these 5 hindrances are greedy, ill will, sloth and torpor, doubt, and indecision. It is therefore necessary to overcome these hindrances, which are really fetters, and means to overcome them is through right contemplation. What is necessary is permanent turn to the mind on path of righteousness to achieve states of perfection. Right contemplation is positive. It trains the mind to concentrate and to think of some good deeds and thoughts during concentration, and thereby eliminate the tendency of the mind to be drawn towards bad deeds and bad thoughts arising from the hindrances. I am sure all these diverse student platforms gives a habit to the mind to think of good and always to think of good only. Right contemplation gives the mind the necessary motive power to perform well. So dear students, all these student representative committees have a hope and purpose. Its purpose is to mold our personality by practicing appropriate use of inbuilt tools. And there is a hope in it because it shows the way towards states of perfection. I conclude this session with a quote: "Let your intuition guide you. You are what you have been looking for." Sincere acknowledgement to respected Principal Dr. Supriya Shidhe, Vivekananda Education Societies, College of Pharmacy, Mumbai, my family members and friends for constant support and motivation. Thank you very much.